Advanced Word Weekly Revision Exercises continues with section 7, covering comments. So this question 22 is really moving on from question 21 that we just did a few minutes earlier, if you're still with me. And it's asking to modify the comment that was just made in question 21 so that it has they are breeding to added to it as an extra sentence, and it wants us to accept the changes and then make sure no further changes can be tracked. Save and close, etc., which you can do yourself. So, like I said, any help that you need, remember we always refer to the manual, pages 78 to 79. So let's do this question. So we are continuing from question 21, where we created this comment and we turned on track changes, and that's still on, as you can see there. As still in the predator document, so we're going to continue by adding, modifying, if you like, to the comment, saying they are breeding to, stop, as an extra sentence in that comment, except that change. You can accept all or move to next, but just let's say there's only one change to the document, so we're going to accept that. And then it says to ensure no further changes are tracked. So it's at this stage where we turn the tracking off, and if you're in a test question, you would then answer the questions with the answer button. The reason they're doing this is to see that you can track something, and then you can stop the tracking and maybe go on to do other things that aren't tracked. Remember, tracking is something that you do if you're a project manager. You could send it out to several of your staff or project people, and they can make lots of changes to a document according to their specific subject area. They send them all back to you, and then you decide as the manager there if you use this accept and reject those changes. So they're two sort of things, two different sides of the same coin. So that's how we use these features. And ensuring no further changes are tracked is just about turning off the track changes. So that's the area of collaborative editing covered. So now we're going to be moving on, if you're staying with me, on to question 23, looking at document security.